There are over 34 million homes with basements in North America. Whether they are used for living space or storage, they are often damp, unhealthy environments. They look this way because of lack of moisture control. Water enters through the cracks and naturally seeps through the concrete walls and floors. Flooding or improper drainage can make matters worse, and the problems aren't limited to the basement. In fact, up to 50% of the air circulating throughout your home comes from the basement, and dampness travels throughout the house as well. When the relative humidity creeps above 60%, it's a breeding ground for allergy and asthma triggers like mold, mildew, and dust mites. Trapped moisture can also lead to structural damage in your home. A crumbling foundation, buckling wood floors, termites, and increased stress on the HVAC system can all result in major and expensive repairs. How do we prevent all this from happening and make your home healthier now and in the future? First, we need to stop water intrusion. After our inspection, we'll recommend the right solution for your home. Second, once we have applied the solution, we want to protect and ensure the long-term health of your home with the installation of an Aprilaire high-capacity dehumidification system to maintain healthy humidity levels. It operates quietly, with low maintenance, and has the capacity to remove more moisture with a much more efficient use of your home's energy. If you're using a dehumidifier now, chances are good that it simply does not have the capacity needed for the high moisture environment that's typical in any basement. These undersized units need to run almost constantly to try to keep up with the extreme conditions, which causes significant wear on their motors and compressors. Switching to this higher efficiency unit can actually save you money in energy costs each season while at the same time removing more excess moisture from the air. There are no messy tanks to empty or clean. And depending on your needs, an Aprilaire dehumidifier can be freestanding or simply installed to control humidity in a separate, finished space. For added convenience and peace of mind protection, with the available Aprilaire Wi-Fi thermostat and app, you can use your mobile device to monitor and control the humidity levels in your home anytime, anywhere. Designed and built in America, the Aprilaire dehumidification system, along with our recommended sealing solutions, will dry out your home, protect the structure, and provide a healthier home environment for years to come. Invest in a long-term solution that works, and take back your basement with Aprilaire. Aprilaire, trusted solutions for a healthy home.